Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Kingsley Omoefe TV, the one-stop hub for all things Nollywood productivity, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and more. A place where filmmaking, entrepreneurship, and content creation come to life. I'm Kingsley Omoefe, and for over 20 years, I've been telling stories, building brands, and creating content that inspires. So if you're looking to break into Nollywood or launch or grow your own business or master the art of creation or live more inspired life, you're in the right place. Expert behind the scenes exclusives, expert tutorials, and reward strategies to help you succeed. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and create something amazing, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Your journey to success starts right now. Let's go. Hi, hi there. I'm King Omoefe, and this is the King Omoefe TV channel. This channel is your go-to hub for a dynamic blend of education, entertainment, and empowerment. Okay. Over the past two decades, I've built a career in Nollywood, explored entrepreneurship, and traveled the world. And now I'm sharing everything I've learned to help it thrive. I've been lucky enough to experience and explore a variety of things, from directing and producing film in Nollywood, television series and drama and soap operas, and to building and running a successful business. Of course, I have my own fair share of wins and challenges, and now I'm here to share my knowledge, my insight, and exciting things I'm discovering every day. On this channel, we'll be covering everything from Nollywood behind the scenes action to expert business tips to content creation, travel and productivity hacks, and lifestyle content that fuels your ambition. So whether you're looking to break into Nollywood or start your own venture or see what really goes on behind the scenes, this channel is for you. You'll get practical insight into filmmaking and TV production, step-by-step business tutorial, and even travel adventure that spark your creativity. So this isn't just a show, it's a companion on journey to success. Together we'll navigate the worlds of Nollywood business and beyond. So what do you expect from this channel? We've got something very good. For aspiring filmmakers, I'll take you behind the scenes of Nollywood's most exciting project, offering insider knowledge and actionable tips to help you break into the industry. For entrepreneurs, you're going to learn practical tips, practical strategies to build and grow your own business straight from my own experience, whether you're starting from scratch or scaling up practical work. Want to become a top content creator? I'll break down everything from content creation, growing your audience, to monetizing your passion. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need expensive gear. Just the right mindset and strategy. Do you love adventure? Join me as I explore exciting and inspiring stories, beautiful destinations, and real life experiences that will expand the mind. And that's not all. I'll bring amazing guests, industry experts, entrepreneurs, and creatives to share their wisdom, their stories, and advice. So get ready to exclusive insights you won't find anywhere else. So grab your pen, the notepad, smash the subscribe button, and get ready to learn, grow, and inspire. Welcome to the show.